Are you somebody who was in really, really good shape in your younger years, but in recent years you found yourself way out of shape and just a shell of what you formerly were? Maybe you were a high school athlete, college athlete, or you just were dedicated to working out, eating well and all that kind of stuff, and then life happened. You graduated college, you got a 9-to-5 job, you got married, you had kids, and now you found yourself with no stamina, no energy, you're busy, you have excess weight, and you actually feel unhealthy. If this describes you and you are ready to get your body back, get your health back, get your fitness back, then this is your channel. Hi, I'm Shawn. I'm the owner of this YouTube channel, Back to Basics Fitness with Shawn, and my goal is to help former athletes like you to get back in shape, to get your body back, to recover your health. And we're going to talk about getting that by, first of all, regaining strength and conditioning through calisthenics, bodyweight exercise, and other exercises that you can do at home, at the gym, or wherever you choose, starting and progressing in a reasonable fashion. We're going to talk about looking good by engaging in body recomposition, which is just exchanging unwanted fat for muscle. We're going to talk about feeling good through addressing key recovery principles that are very important for people who are 40 and over like we are. Stuff like stretching, flexibility, mobility, and other injury prevention practices. And then finally, we're going to talk about staying good by focusing on things that promote your health and longevity. All the while, we're going to be busting common health myths that keep people over 40 stuck, stagnant, and in a rut. My goal is to help you believe again that actually getting in shape, having vigor, having energy, being able to engage in stuff you used to engage in before, that it's actually possible. Because I'm telling you, it is possible. You can have your body back. You're not 20 anymore. You're not even 30 anymore. But you can probably get a whole lot of that back and then some, probably far beyond what you even believe now. Join me and let's go ahead and get it.